In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this spiral mesh by using geometry nodes, and how to customize the mesh. This mesh can be created by using a curve circle and a curve spiral. Or the screw modifier could have been used with a mesh circle. To achieve the narrower start, we would have used the proportional editing feature. Here are the full geometry nodes that were used to create the spiral mesh. Basically, a curve circle is used along with the spiral and the set curve radius nodes to mimic the usual result of the screw modifier. For experienced users, it would be easier and faster to use the old modeling method, but this new modeling method is good to learn. I'll briefly show you how the nodes work. Please do experiment with the node settings in detail after watching the video. This spiral node is very similar to the screw modifier. The float curve node is the one that controls the smooth scaling shape that we're seeing on the mesh. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.